Take a ride in the 2019 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.